Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jyoti and today I am making a classic spaghetti aglio e olio for kids. It's a very simple Italian dish which have only 4 ingredients. Aglio e olio means olive oil, garlic, spaghetti obviously, and red pepper. So this is a very simple dish. You can make it within 20 minutes, and if you want to make it spicy, if you're making it for adults, you can add veggies if you want. You can make it spicy by adding different sauces, but I am making it for kids, so I'm not adding too much of veggies, and I'll just pair it up with some salad. And this is a basic spaghetti aglio e olio that I'm going to show you today. So without any further ado, let's go to the recipe. So the ingredients for aglio e olio is number 1 spaghetti, garlic finely chopped. I'm using a little bit of butter. It's optional because normally we'll be using olive oil. Also, I've shown some sauce here which you can use if you want to spice it up, and then there is chili flakes, and if you want you can use some pasta mix as well. Cheese for grating at the top after you when you serve the spaghetti, and salt for taste. So these are the ingredients you will be requiring. Now in a pan, heat water, and I have added a little salt as well. Once the water is hot enough, add spaghetti. You need to boil it for at least 10 minutes and check. It should not be completely cooked, but it should be a little 70% cooked. Now till the spaghetti gets cooked, let's make the sauce. Take a pan and put olive oil in it, and now add chopped garlic. Chopped garlic we add in the beginning itself when the oil is not very hot, so that the oil get completely infused with the garlic taste and it will taste really nice. Let the garlic cook, but make sure it doesn't turn brown. Don't burn it, just light golden is fine. Then once the garlic is done, add chili flakes, and if you want to make it really spicy, you can add sauce. I have added peri peri sauce here to make it a little spicy. To this add salt. This is the stage where if you want to add veggies, you can add stir fried veggies here in the sauce before adding the spaghetti. So the sauce is ready now, and spaghetti is also done. Use a strainer to strain the water and use the spaghetti. Now I'm going to mix sauce and spaghetti together and mix it well, so that all the spaghetti is coated with the sauce that we have made, and it will taste good. You can add parsley and basil at the top if you want. And yes, we are done with the spaghetti. While serving, put cheese at the top, and you can also add bread. And since I'm making it for kids, I'm just adding a little bit of salad. So we are done with our spaghetti aglio e olio. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Bye bye.